Bangladesh is a country that truly reflects natural beauty. In this video, I'll tell you about the top 5 most beautiful places in Bangladesh that will take your breath away. Let's start with Cox's Bazar, the world's longest natural sea beach with white sand and blue water, making it a perfect place for a holiday. Moving on to the Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the world's largest mangrove forest that is home to the Royal Bengal tiger and offers stunning river cruises. Next up is Sri Mangal, known as the tea capital of Bangladesh. The lush green tea gardens, hills, and serene environment add to its beauty. Another beautiful place is Sajak Valley, a hill station situated in the Rangamati district, which offers breathtaking views of green hills and valleys. Lastly, let's talk about the Paharpur Vihara, also known as the Somapura Mahavihara, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that was once a Buddhist monastery and has ruins dating back to the 8th century. So, these are the top 5 most beautiful places in Bangladesh. Visit these places and appreciate the sheer natural beauty that Bangladesh has to offer.